This week, we are going to have the biggest landmark case in Ugandan history coming up. And this is the case of Besigye, which is also going to decide the Besigye case that we have all been hearing about for 3 months now. Well, in this edition of Legal News Daily, I'm going to discuss everything concerning why the Besigye case is extremely important, why this applies to Besigye, and most importantly, what is this going to decide for the civilians of Uganda. Well, let's decide this in Legal News Daily. So, let's go. Hello everyone, welcome back to Legal News Daily. I'm your host Terry Kahuma on this channel. And before we begin, briefly, for those who have dreams of attaining that master's degree, that bachelor's degree, just know that UNISERV is here to empower you and to make your dreams come true. This video is sponsored and powered by UNISERV. UNISERV is an institution that connects intending students to universities. Therefore, they have a fair on the 29th of January 2025 where they are going to expose you to 60 plus universities that will be able to help you achieve that master's degree, that bachelor's degree, anything that can help you to be able to achieve that degree that you've always wanted to achieve. Well, be sure to be able to attend the fair that is coming up on the 29th of January from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. at the Golf Course Hotel. Please don't miss this. Link in the description. Well, let's get straight to the point. The Besigye case is one of the most important landmark decisions that is going to decide the ongoing Besigye trial in the court martial. Why, you may be asking? The case has the same facts as the Besigye case, because Besigye briefly was the member of parliament in one of the divisions in Nakawa. Besigye was also charged for treachery against the state of Uganda. So therefore, we have it that the Attorney General, who is the lawyer that represents the government, is versing Besigye. So this case went on up to the Constitutional Court, which is the Court of Appeal. Besigye was also tried in the court martial, and therefore he also saw it fit that a civilian cannot be tried in the court martial, because Besigye is a normal civilian and was a member of parliament after the 2021 elections. Well, this case went on up to the Court of Appeal, which is the Constitutional Court, and in the Constitutional Court, Besigye actually won, where the Constitutional Court, which is the Court of Appeal, said that a civilian is not supposed to be tried in the court martial. Well, the Attorney General, who is Shira Chionka, went up to the Supreme Court and said, no, we are still stating that according to the UPDF Act, which is Section 210, the UPDF Act, indeed a civilian can be tried in the court martial. However, we find that come 31st, which is just a few days from now, the Supreme Court is going to decide on this case concerning Besigye. We look at all the principles of natural justice, which are stated under Article 28 of the Constitution, which state that principles of natural justice should be preserved. So if Besigye's case, who is being represented by Martha Karua, Elias Lukago, and Aaron Chiza, they are all saying that a civilian cannot be tried in the court martial. So they wrote an appeal stating that we should now take Besigye's case to the Constitutional Court. And may I state, the Constitutional Court is empowered by Article 137 of the Constitution, where it states that all matters of constitutionalism shall be given under the Constitutional Court. So I think the Besigye's case is going to be one of the most controversial, because just know that the prosecution is waiting for this case to